multiplication of algebraic expressions. Multiplication of algebraic expressions will start. Okay, till now we have seen if we have to add the like terms. Okay, we simply do, we add them, or unlike terms, it remains as such. Okay, this was the addition. Today we'll be multiplying them. Okay, so for example, if two numbers are given, 3 into 2, we simply multiply and it comes out to be 6. Okay, now if one term 3x is given and it has to be multiplied with 2, what we are going to do? So 3 2 ja 6x, it will be 6x. This is clear. We multiply the constant terms and x. Okay, or 3x into 2x, how much it will be? So we'll be multiplying the constants, 3 into 6 and
6
x into
square.
x into x is x square. So how we are doing here? Okay, if the question is 3x squared into x cube, how much it will be? 3x is to power
5.
5 or 6? Which answer is correct? This one or 3x raised to power 6?
Sir, 5.
This is correct. Always remember, this is wrong. Okay. So whenever we have studied in exponents, x is to power m into x is to power n, it will be x is to power
m plus n.
M plus n. X is to power m plus 1. You can see as well, x square into x cube. It means what you are multiplying? X into x into 3 times x. This is there. X square is x into x cube is x into x into x. So total how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means x is to power 2 plus 3. X is to power
5.
This you understood? Okay. So let's see division along with this as well. Okay, only one division will be same. X raised to power 5 divided by x square. What will be the answer?
X raised to power 5 minus 2.
X raised to power 5 minus 2. It is how much?
X is
X cube.
X
cube. Okay. So see how we have done. X cube, x raised to power 5 divided by x square. X into x into x into x into x. 5 times x divided by x into x. So these two get cancelled. How many are remaining? X into x into x, x cube. Understood? Okay. Okay. 3x into y. What will be the answer?
3xy.
3xy. Okay. 3x into 5x square y. So constant terms we multiply.
15x cube y.
Okay, 15. We multiply the constant terms 15. X into x square, x is to power 1 plus 2, 3, and y. Okay, 2x y square z into 3x cube y raised to power 5 z raised to power 7. How we are going to multiply this one? So first the constant we will multiply. 2 into 3, 6. Okay, x is to power 1, x is to power 3. So total it will be x is to power 4. X is to power 1 plus 3 it will be there. Y raised to power 2 plus 5 and z raised to power 1 plus 7. So it is 6x raised to power 4, y raised to power 7 and z raised to power 8. You can do it straightforward as well. X raised to power 4, y raised to power 7, z raised to power 8. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so rest we will discuss it afterwards. Okay, the remaining we'll discuss it afterwards when binomial or trinomials are there. Okay, okay, one more question let's do, and then we will start the exercise. Okay, if it is written 2 plus 3x multiplied with y, now it means 2 plus their sum is multiplied with, so we can distribute them. 2 into y plus 3xy. Yes or no? 2y plus 3xy. Understood this one? Or it is written x plus 2y into 3z. It is how much? X into 3z plus 2y into 3z. We have distributed them. It is 3xz plus 6yz. Understood this one, everyone? Any doubt? Or if it is done 2x, 1 plus 4x. So 2x into 1, 2x plus 2x into 4x, 8x square. Anyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt?
No,
Okay,
sir.
so okay, let's start 2B exercise. Okay, till third we can solve. Okay, fourth we'll discuss afterwards. Okay, solve first one first. First is 8x into 7. Okay, I'll ask the students. Okay, randomly I'm going to ask and you have to answer. Okay, first one 8x into 7. Akshita,
Yes, sir.
what will be the answer? 8x into 7. 56 x.
X.
Okay. Second one, Ayush. Ayush, tell the second one. Ayush, unmute yourself. Garvit, Garvit, second one, minus 4x cube into 9. What will be the answer? Garvit, Harshit,
Yes, sir.
What
Minus
will be-
36x cube. Minus
Minus?
36x cube.
minus 36x cube. Okay. There are two Harshit, Harshit Chaudhary and Harshit Chaudhary. Okay, one is there. Two are there, I think. Okay, next one. Okay, Devraj, next one. 36AB into minus 4. So see how you are going to write 36AB into minus 4. You are writing, put minus 4 in bracket. How much it will be?
Sir, minus
Minus sign 36 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 22. 144 AB. Okay. Do the fourth one. Kushbu, fourth one. Minus 12 LM. Minus 12 LM into minus 6. Multiply them and tell. Kushbu Singh, Kushbu. What will be the answer? Kushbu, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Sir, 7, sorry,
Yes.
Sir, 72 LM.
72 LM.
Yes, okay. It will be minus minus, it will become plus 72 LM. 12 into 6. Okay. Next one. Okay. Lakshya, next one. 2A by A. 2A into A. What will be the answer? Lakshya?
2a square.
2A square. It will be 2A square. Okay. Next one, Rishabh. 4x into minus 2x. 4x into minus 2x. You have to put this in bracket. Okay, it is 2A square.
Sir, minus 8x square.
minus 8
X
x square. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Okay, Angel, next one. 3x square into minus 4x cube. 3x square into minus 4x cube, I think. 3x square into minus 4x cube. What will be the answer?
Sir, minus 12x raised to power 5.
Again, Devraj have told. Minus 12 x raised to power 5. It was for Angel. Let her tell. Okay, eighth one. Eighth one, who will tell? Aryan. Eighth one. 8x square. 8x square multiplied with 4xy. Aryan. 8x square multiplied with 4xy.
Sir, may I tell?
Okay, Angel, you tell. 8x square multiplied with 4xy. So first the constant terms. How much it will be?
32.
32 and remaining x square into x
cube y.
S
x
cube
cube
Y.
y. X cube y. Okay. Everyone have completed first question.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the second one. Everyone do the second one. After 1 minute, I will start asking. Okay. One by one, we will discuss. Okay. Everyone do the second one. Okay. Okay. First one is, please don't raise hand. I won't ask. I ask the students who don't raise the hand mainly. 9a x b y. Okay. So first one, it goes to, okay, Aksharta. Aksharta, you answer minus 6 xyz into 9ax by. How you are going to multiply them? Aksharta, answer it. Minus 6 xyz into 9ax by. Aryan,
Yes, sir.
answer it.
Yes, sir.
Minus 6
Yes, sir.
xyz. What will be the answer? Minus 6 into 9. Minus
54.
minus 54. Okay. Remaining, how you are going to write? A, A. Okay, please mute yourself. Angel, mute yourself. A, then x into x, x square. Y term is there. You can put y
Y
square,
square.
bz. Okay. These terms you can write in any order. It doesn't matter. Okay. You can write this as well. Minus 54, x square a, y square bz. Minus 54, x square a, b, y square z. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay. In multiplication does not matter whether you write xy or yx. They are same because multiplication follows commutative law. So all three are same thing only. Okay. Understood this one? So x, it will be square y, y square z, z. Okay. In any order you can write these variables. Okay. it does not matter because multiplication follows commutative law. These all three are same answers, okay? So don't worry which one we should write first. It's up to you. It doesn't matter, okay? So you can write a first, then x square, then b, then y square z as well. It doesn't matter the order, okay? Okay, second one. Second one, we are having 2a square into minus 5a square b into minus 4a b square. Okay, always remember one thing, like you are writing 4x into 5x. Okay, so always differentiate between x and cross. Okay, this is x, don't write x like this. Okay, or you may get confused it with multiplication. Okay, so x always write it like this, and multiplication little bit bigger, okay, of the size of the constants, into 5x. Okay, like this you will write. Okay, so now we are having three terms to be multiplied. So first, any two terms you can multiply, either multiply these two or these two or these two. It does not matter because multiplication follows commutative law. For example, 2 into 3 into 4. Whether you multiply first 6 into 4, 24. Or you multiply first 3 and 4, you will get the same answer. So it doesn't matter which two numbers you multiply first. Okay, so how we are going to solve this one? First, you multiply the constant terms. Either you multiply these two terms, then multiply that term with that one, or we can do in one go as well. Okay.
Sir, first minus minus.
Okay, 2 minus minus, it will become plus. Okay, we are solving like this. Okay, 2a square you leave and multiply these two. So 5 4 ja 20 minus a
cube.
a cube
B cube.
b cube. Okay, now 40
A raised to power 5.
40 raised to power 5 B cube.
b cube. Okay, this you understood? Okay, or you can do it like this as well. First these two minus 10 a raised to power 4 b into minus 4 a b square. Okay, minus minus plus 40 a raised to power 5 b raised to power 3 b cube. In any order you can do. Okay, you can do it in one go as well. See here how. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 10 into minus 4 40. Okay, now a square a raised to power 4 it will be into a raised to power 5. Okay, you can do 2 plus 2 plus 1 5, and b raised to power 1 b raised to power 2, so total 3. Or more you want to do, you can do like this: a raised to power 2 plus 1 b raised to power 1 plus 2 40 a raised to power 5 b raised to power 3. So it's up to you how, which it seems easy or familiar or comfortable you are, you can go with that method. Okay, is this clear? Okay, calculate the third one. Everyone calculate the third one. See, here in mathematics, you must always have the pen and a notebook, okay? And always keep it a fair notebook with you, okay? So keep solving in fair notebook. Wherever you make mistake, just cross with a line or like this, okay? It doesn't matter how many mistakes you make in a notebook, okay? And don't use whitener, okay? Avoid using whitener. You will never use whitener in notebooks, okay? So whenever you make mistake, just cross with a line. It doesn't matter how many mistakes you make. Okay, mistakes look good. So whenever you are solving the equation, if you see the mistakes, you will get to know that these mistakes we should not make again. Okay. So let those mistakes be in your notebook. Okay. So keep one fair notebook, that is classwork notebook, and keep doing questions in that, okay? Whether you make mistakes, don't tear the page, just leave the page as such, just cross with a line, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? This is clear to all. So whatever
Yes.
experiments you want to do in fair notebook, one notebook is enough for mathematics, okay? Doing that, okay? So now multiply it in your notebook, solve it everyone, and then we'll start solving. Everyone start solving it. So the question is 5p square cube. You can follow any way that seems easy to you, okay? 2p cube multiplied with minus 10p q square r, okay? And if you are doing the rough work must be very clear. If you do rough work in very small space, very small numbers, you will make mistake. So do always the rough work as well very clear, okay? Take a good amount of space for rough work as well, okay? Don't do in one corner like this, 5 plus and this, you won't understand what you have written. So either you draw a line, good space you must have, write numbers properly, and then do the rough work, okay? Rough work must be clear, okay? In examination as well, if you are doing the rough work, draw one line on the right side, and it should be a good size, okay? Okay, now multiply this one. How you are going to multiply this one? Either you can multiply any two number first, then with the third number, or you can go in one go. That is how you can go in one go. 5 into 2 into minus 10. Constants we have multiplied one place. Then p raised to power 2 plus 1 plus 1. Or you can write straightforward as well. Q raised to power 1 plus 1 plus 2 and r raised to power 1 or r. So 5 to 10, 10 into minus 10, minus 100. P raised to power 2, 3, 4. Q raised to power 4 into r. Understood? You can write it directly as well.
Sir.
Okay, this is clear. Or else you can multiply these two terms first. Okay, so it will be 10 p cube q square into minus 10 p q square r. So 10, 10, 100 minus sign. P cube into p raised to power 4, q raised to power 4, and r. Okay, it's up to you what method you want to use. Okay, it's up to you. Whichever method seems easy, you can follow. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so till now what we have discussed, we have multiplied monomial by monomials. Yes or no? Monomial by monomials we have multiplied. Okay, and we have got answer as well as monomial. Okay, monomial means one term only. Okay, now we are going to multiply binomial by a monomial or monomial by a binomial. Okay, so binomial means how many terms will be there? Two terms, and it is multiplied with monomial, that is one term. Okay, so the question is a square minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab. It is multiplied with 4. It is multiplied with 4. Okay, it means each term of the binomial we are going to multiply with 4. Okay, each term we are going to multiply 4. So it means we can distribute. It is like this: a plus b into c, a into c plus b into c. So what we have distributed? We have distributed multiplication over addition. We have distributed multiplication. See here, this side also multiplication, this side also. We distributed multiplication over addition. Okay. So how we are going to solve this one? A square into 4. And here we will distribute multiplication over subtraction. Okay. Minus 2ab into 4. Multiply them. 4a square minus 4 to ja 8ab. Have you understood this one? Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone do the second one in their notebook. In your notebook, do the second one. Everyone do the second one in your notebook. Solve it. It is 2b plus 5c. 2b plus 5c. It is multiplied with bc. bc. Okay. So again we have binomial multiplied with a monomial. So how to open the bracket? We have to distribute them. Okay. Solve it. After 30 seconds we will solve. Everyone solve the second one. So it will be 2b into bc plus 5c into bc. We have distributed. Okay. Now multiply them. It will be how much? 2b square c plus 5. You can write c square b or b c square. In any order you can write. First you can write 5c square b as well or b square c. b c square. It doesn't matter. This is the answer, or you can write it like this as well. Plus 5c square b. Here as well you can write c b square. It's up to you, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? Okay. Okay, if you understood this one, try next one. So this time we are having binomial or trinomial. In third, how many terms are there in first
Trinomial.
expression? So first expression contains three terms. So it is trinomial multiplied with monomial. Okay. So we can again distribute because we know the distribution very well, everyone. Yes. Okay. 3 yz. Okay. You all are very smart persons. Yes.
Minus zx
Minus zx. Minus,
into
yes.
minus 5xyz.
Okay. So see, whenever into and minus are there, put this in bracket. Okay. It means this whole is multiplied with this minus 5xyz. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We will open the bracket. We will distribute multiplication over addition and subtraction.
Subtraction.
Okay. Open the bracket and write 2xy into minus 5xyz. So see here, to easily understand, we put this in bracket. So we can differentiate. We are going to multiply them. Plus 3yz into minus 5xyz. Okay. Minus, okay, I'm writing here space. You can write this as
minus
first.
15.
Yes, minus 15 you can write.
Minus 15 x
You
y
can
square
write
z
straightforward
square.
as well. Yes, you can write straightforward as well, or you can write with steps as well. Zx into minus 5xyz. Okay. Now multiply them. 2 into minus 5, minus 10.
So minus
X square.
Square. Y
Y
square.
square. Z.
Z.
Plus
Plus minus.
minus 15.
Minus.
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
X.
X.
Y square.
Y
Y
square.
square.
Z square.
Z.
Z square.
Square.
Okay.
Minus.
Minus.
Plus.
Plus 5
5.
x
X.
X square.
y z
Square.
Square.
square. Understood? It is zx multiplied with minus 5xyz. So you get this one. minus minus plus 5x square y and z square. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you write z square first. Okay, in a term it doesn't matter. Multiplication doesn't matter. This is clear. Everyone have understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, do the fourth one. We are having one more period today. Everyone do the fourth
Yes,
one.
sir.
If you don't understand, always ask, okay? Or else you won't be able to understand further. So whenever doubt arises, yes. Whenever there is a doubt, ask immediately. Always remember that one, okay? Whenever there is doubt, ask immediately,
Yes, sir.
okay? Plus 4y square minus z, okay? It is multiplied with minus half x, y, z, x, y, z, okay? First will be opening the bracket. We can do straightforward as well. First with this one, second with this one, minus this one, okay? Or x square into minus half x, y, z plus 4y square into minus half x, y, z minus z into minus half x, y, z. Okay, so start with first minus half x square into x, x cube,
X cube.
y, z. Okay, 4 into minus half,
2.
2
minus 2,
minus
x,
Yes,
Y
sir.
cube.
y z
y cube, z. Minus
Sir,
minus
y
plus
plus
Half
half x,
X and Z
y,
square.
xyz square. Okay, so see here we usually follow one thing convention that xyz terms are there. First we write x, then y, then z. X, y, z, x, y, z. Okay, it is more easy to understand. Oh, and our whole class answers will be quite similar. Okay, okay, we usually do write like this. Okay, you can write z first, it doesn't matter, but we usually follow like this: x, y, z. If ABC are there, we write A, B, C in terms like in this order. Okay, we usually follow like we made some kind of a rule to follow. Okay, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
So rest we'll discuss in next period. Okay, we are having one more period. Okay. Okay then. Thank you all.
Yes, sir. From 40.
We are having one more period. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.